Welcome back. So if you want to see what's in store for you, keep on watching. Facebook, hi, welcome. Camera's over there, god damn it. So, if you're new here, hi, my name's Victoria. Welcome. Today I have Miss Taylor.
Hello.
She's the owner and proprietor, is that right? The owner, proprietor of
Constant Reader Crafts.
You want to tell us a little bit about it?
So I make all kinds of custom goods. I make like t-shirts. I'm really into resin right now, so I make a lot of like custom resin dog tags. So you can put your dog's name on it. You can customize it with what color, glitter. If you want me to add any like different shapes and stuff to it, because I use my Cricut to cut stuff out. And then I put phone numbers on the back. But I make all kinds of stuff. You can check me out on Etsy.
Yeah, in person, her stuff is amazing. It looks very, very pretty, and her inspiration.
Oh yeah, my dog, my Mira. So I love dogs so much, and I wanted to make something a little bit custom for her. So I seen like people doing resin and stuff. I'm like, oh, I bet I can make a dog tag. So I started making dog tags for her, and then I just kind of went from there.
Yeah. So if you're interested, I'll link her Etsy shop down below. All right, so what made this special is that this little hooker right here finally signed up for Boxy Charm, and guess what she has? Her first Boxy, so decided to wait to open up my base box with her. So kind of started going at it.
I did too.
All right, so, and just like the premium box, it's Valentine's Day inspired, so each month you get a little theme.
Yay.
So it's the XOXO, and you get your little description of what you get and the prices. Okay, so pick something and go first.
Oh yes. Okay, I got the Ace Beauty.
So we're getting the same one.
Nostalgia. There we go.
Oh, those are pretty.
This is pretty. This is what I wanted to. Very, very,
Yes.
very excited about that one.
Well, since she has hers open, shit, I ain't gonna open mine.
It's struggle to get it open.
Shut up. Okay, and if you're interested, the Ace Beauty, 15 colors, it's definitely fun, definitely bright, in time for spring and summer. That's a $38.99 palette. Yeah. Okay. Oh, fix that.
Well, I did get this.
Ooh, the Queen palette.
Yeah, this one I got because I signed up for Boxy Charm. They were doing one of those special things.
Oh, so you got a free gift.
So yeah, I got a free palette.
Yeah, those are really
So excited. Oh, I love those pinks.
pretty. I got the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. I'm sure it's probably, let's see what the description. Duo. Alright, so there's two parts to a sheer tint with the universal balm. Alright, so let's take a look.
I got that too.
Oh, did you? Man, why are we struggling? I just don't know. It's okay.
Oh.
That is pretty. Oh, you got like something tanner. I got like something pink. So she got something like peachy or tan, and I got something pinky. Okay, so let's see. So take color, lightweight duo, appears a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. All right, shimmer free balm. Okay, that's cool as shit. All right, so it's a double whammy product, and I'm sure you could probably use it with your eyes too. I'm all about multi-use. That is $22 product. I destroyed my box. So that's exciting. Wander Beauty is some really good
I know,
stuff.
I don't have anything like that, so that's nice. I get to try something like that.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to do this, to try stuff that
Yeah, Tula.
Tula, so poreless, deep exfoliating black and scrub.
Alright, Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. $29 Mickey color. Alright. Moisturizing targets look of aging, dull skin, pore, stress, and tension.
good.
Alright, so I'm excited about this. Ooh. That's like a really interesting looking jar. Feel that.
Oh, lighter than I was
Expected, right?
I was thinking it was heavier. I like that.
Okay, so let's see. Ooh, it comes with your own little like spatula and shit, so that way you can
Oh,
scoop
you
the
know it's
product out.
fancy if it comes with its own little
It's
spatula.
fancy.
Oh,
So lightly lemon. Alright, so that works. I can't wait to try it actually. Let's try it without this flipping over. If you break out, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's just my hand. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's
It feels
very soft and moisturizing. So we'll do like a little hand test here towards the end. See how moisturizing you are. What's your...
Oh, mine is the deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. It's retailed at $32. So I'm excited for this. I'll probably use this tonight.
Oh, I think this is the...
The mushrooms.
Yeah, this was the highly talked about. Oh, Boxy Charm is sending us lead in our items or in our box. So it's the Proposition 65 warning about like cancer and everything. I think it's more so geared towards the plastic container, or the not the container, but the baggie that it's in. Maybe. Okay, so it's a nice glitter thing. Oh, these are the ones with the hearts in them.
Yeah, I know. I was excited about these.
So you get 4 eyeshadow brushes, so probably a lid, a blender, an eyeliner angled brush, and then something for your brow lid, you know, like a flat detailing type brush. So it's really nice. Are they soft?
They are soft. Nice. I like this.
I'm excited. Alright, and that is $29.95. Oh, you've got the drops. Anyway.
Sure, I don't know what they are, but
What are they? The cute drops. How do you say that? NCLA? Okay.
So Rich Love Potion. What is it? It contains safflower, seed oil, and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your pupils. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, I like that. So definitely use that.
And I got the St. Lux limited edition liner duo. Ooh, $40. Alright. Creamy, long-lasting, hydrating formula. So there's 2 liners in here. I wonder if it's like... I got a duo. One was like nude and one was like red. Yes. Actually, like a brown and a red. Yeah. So this one's called Love Letter. Okay, so it is kind of like taupey reddish color, and then this one is called Secret Admirer. That's this guy right here, so it is a little bit darker.
So I'm glad you got that. That's too much. Too much.
Aww. So I got $158.99, so like $159 in my box. $159 in my box. That sounded so weird.
I'm very happy with my first box.
Yeah, that's
I'm,
exciting.
I'm excited for March. A
Yeah.
little hesitant, but I'm excited.
Oh yeah. She was very quickly acquainted with the Boxy Papa.
I was. I didn't get anything this time, but I probably will next time.
Yeah, I got a dumb amount of shit. I mean, that I use, but did I need it now? Probably not. It's okay. It's okay. And I helped her, I helped show her to pick the beauty of Boxy Charm, especially. You get a choice of one product that you want to add in your box. Doesn't matter if it's base, if it's the premium, or if it's deluxe. And since it's going to be March, it'll be the Luxe box that comes in. and the base box. So what'd you end up picking for your box?
Oh shoot, can't remember. It was like a skin cream. It wasn't the Too Faced mascara. I got the skin cream.
Okay. I ended up getting the Mally Beauty. It's the Tummy Be Flat cream because you need some skin tightening. Oh shit, what was my other one? Oh, I got a hair straightening brush thing that come with it. It's like ceramic and everything. The retail on that was $150. At the pop-up was $18.99. And then for my base box, I just had it choose for me. There were like 2 serums, and I can't remember the other item right away. So it will be a surprise. I have no idea what's going to be in there. But thank you for joining us for Taylor's first time opening up her Boxy Charm. And like I said, I'll link her store down below. Constant Reader Crafts.
Yep.
All right, and check her out. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.